Hannover, located in Lower Saxony, Germany, is the capital of the state and has a rich history dating back to its founding in the early Middle Ages. The city is known for its significant role in the Hanseatic League, a medieval trade network that facilitated commerce throughout Northern Europe. Hannover is home to the world's largest exhibition grounds, the Hannover Messe, which hosts various international trade fairs, including the annual Hannover Fair. The city is famous for its beautiful gardens, most notably the Herrenhausen Gardens, which are a prime example of Baroque landscape design. Hanover was the residence of the House of Hanover, which provided several British monarchs, including King George I, who became king in 1714. The royal gardens of Herrenhausen were commissioned by Sophie of Hanover, the mother of King George I, and feature stunning fountains and intricate flower beds. Hanover's Old Town, known as Altstadt, is filled with half-timbered houses and historic buildings, showcasing the city's medieval architecture. The city suffered extensive damage during World War II, resulting in the loss of many historical buildings, but efforts have been made to restore and preserve its heritage. Hanover boasts a vibrant cultural scene, with numerous theaters, museums, and galleries, including the Lower Saxony State Museum, which houses an impressive collection of art and artifacts. The Sprengel Museum is another highlight, featuring modern art and works by renowned artists like Picasso and Kandinsky. Hanover is home to the University of Hanover, one of the leading technical universities in Germany, known for its engineering and computer science programs. The city is also known for its annual Oktoberfest celebration, which attracts visitors with its traditional Bavarian food, music, and, of course, beer. Hanover Central Market Square, the Marktkirche, is a bustling hub where locals gather for fresh produce, artisanal goods, and socializing. The city has a robust public transportation system, including trams, buses, and trains, making it easy for residents and visitors to navigate. Hanover's main railway station is one of the busiest in Germany, connecting the city to major destinations across Europe. The Maschsee Lake, located in the city center, is a popular spot for boating, picnicking, and outdoor activities, especially in the summer months. Hanover is also known for its commitment to sustainability, featuring many green spaces and initiatives aimed at reducing the city's carbon footprint. The city hosts the annual International Fireworks Competition, attracting pyrotechnic teams from around the world to showcase their skills. Hanover hosts the CeBIT Technology Fair, which was once the largest computer expo in the world, showcasing innovations in IT and telecommunications. The city's Zoo Hanover is renowned for its immersive habitats and conservation efforts, featuring animals from various continents. Hanover has a significant student population, contributing to its lively atmosphere and diverse cultural offerings. The city is famous for its traditional cuisine, including dishes like spargel, asparagus, and grunkohl, kale, often enjoyed during the winter months. Hanover is home to several breweries, producing local beers that are popular among residents and visitors alike. The city has a thriving music scene, with events ranging from classical concerts at the Staatsoper Hanover to contemporary performances at various venues. Hanover is also known for its sports culture, particularly football, with local team Hannover 96 competing in the Bundesliga. The iconic Wishing Well, or Wunschbrunnen, located in the city center, is a popular spot for tourists seeking good luck. Hanover has a diverse population, with many residents hailing from various countries, contributing to the city's multicultural atmosphere. The city's historic buildings include the Old Town Hall and the Market Church, both of which are significant architectural landmarks. Hanover is a city of innovation, being recognized as a hub for research and development in various fields, including automotive and renewable energy. The city celebrates its cultural diversity with events like the Hannover International Festival, showcasing music, dance, and art from different cultures. The historic Bismarck Tower, located on the outskirts of the city, offers panoramic views of Hanover and the surrounding countryside. Hanover's Christmas markets are a major attraction during the holiday season, featuring festive lights, crafts, and traditional foods. The city is known for its beautiful parks, including Eilenried, one of the largest urban forests in Europe, perfect for jogging and biking. Hanover has a vibrant nightlife scene, with numerous bars, clubs, and live music venues catering to a diverse crowd. The city's cultural calendar is packed with events, including the Hanover Carnival, which features colorful parades and festivities. The historic district of Linden is known for its alternative culture, featuring independent shops, galleries, and a lively music scene. The city is home to the Hanover State Opera, which presents a wide range of opera, ballet, and musical performances throughout the year. Hanover has a strong emphasis on education, with several vocational schools and institutions offering specialized training in various fields. The city is well connected to other major German cities, making it a popular starting point for exploring the country. Hanover is also known for its annual laser show at the Mash See, which combines music, light, and water in a spectacular display. The city has a thriving art scene, with numerous galleries and exhibitions showcasing both contemporary and traditional works. Hanover's historical significance is reflected in its many museums, including the Museum August Kestner, which features a diverse collection of art and antiquities. The city has a variety of festivals celebrating different cultures, including the Africa Festival and the Indian Festival, highlighting its multicultural community.